Hi, today I will show you how to make a LED chaser. These are the components. First, connect pins 2 and 6 of the 555 IC together. And then, also connect pins 4 and 8 of the 555 IC together. Connect pin 8 of the 555 IC to the positive terminal of the battery, and pin 1 to the negative terminal of the battery. Capacitor's negative leg to pin 1, and the positive leg to pin 2. Connect pin 7 of the 555 IC to the positive terminal of the battery through a 1K resistor. Connect one leg of the potentiometer to pin 6 of the 555, and the middle leg to pin 7. Connect 555 IC's pin 3 to pin 11 of the 74HC595 IC. Connect the emitter of the transistor to the negative terminal of the battery. Connect the base of the transistor to pin 7 of the 74HC595 IC through a 20K resistor. Connect the collector of the transistor to the positive terminal of the battery through a 20K resistor. Connect transistor's collector to pin 14 of the 74HC595 IC. Connect pin 8 to pin 13. Connect pin 11 to pin 12. Connect pin 10 to the positive terminal of the battery. Connect pin 16 to the positive terminal of the battery. Connect pin 13 to the negative terminal of the battery. Connect the negative legs of the LEDs together and connect them to the negative terminal of the battery through a 220 ohm resistor. Connections. That's it. The circuit operates at 3 volts. Thanks for watching.